Yeah. Hi, good evening.
Hello, good evening. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you?
Yeah, I'm
How are you
great.
doing today?
Yeah, I'm great. Thank you for asking.
Okay, yeah, you are welcome. So really
Okay.
you are doing great.
Thank you so much. And thank you for inviting me on your channel.
Yes, yes, you are welcome.
Yeah.
So yeah, how are you feeling today? Are you feeling cool or not?
No, it's fine here. It's not that much cold here.
Oh, so where are you from?
I'm from Solapur, Maharashtra. And you?
Maharashtra. Okay, I'm from Bihar.
Okay. That's
Yes.
great.
Yeah, I think our weather is something change. You have
Hmm.
different weather, and in my side I have different weather. So that's why you are
Yes.
not feeling.
Yeah.
But
It's
in my
fine
side,
here.
yeah, but in my side, in Bihar side, in Bengal side, weather is so cool.
Hmm. I
Yeah,
can
like we
understand.
are.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah. So tell me.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
So what are you doing nowadays?
I'm studying. I'm doing BTech in computer science.
In
And what
BTech.
about you?
Okay. Yeah, I'm doing my English, BA English honors. This is my
Oh,
first year.
okay. You also studying then?
Yes, yes. I study in the college.
Okay. How is your YouTube journey?
Yeah, my YouTube it is also well. It's going well.
Hmm. Good.
Yes. And which mic you are using? Like this
It
mic.
is. It is a headphone actually. Headphone with mic.
Oh, headphone with mic.
Yeah. It is something called HTT. Can you see this?
H, yeah, H 111.
H triple one. Yeah. It's Logitech, I think.
Okay. And would you like to tell me what's the price of this headphone?
I forgot. I have ordered it back then. It's been few months, so I will message you.
Okay, okay. And how is this quality of mic?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's been 2 months now from now, and it's working fine.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, this is good for talking for communication. Like you can use
Yeah.
while talking time.
Yes, and it's a it can be used in what can I say, call center.
Call center. Yes.
Yes, that type of mic it is.
Yeah. You are looking like a call center girl.
Okay.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you think how is the job of call center?
Call center, it's fine actually. I don't think any job is job is just job. I don't judge any job. So
Okay, yeah.
yeah, any job is good, and it's about our requirement. If you required and if you want to do anything, you can do.
Yes, yeah. But in if you are working in call center, then
Hmm.
you will get many calls from customer. Okay,
Yes.
and
Yeah.
sometimes you will feel so headache.
Actually, there are many types of people, and we need to handle in that profession.
Yeah.
So yeah, that
So that's
that
why,
is
yeah,
the challenge actually doing that job.
yeah. That is also challenge. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, once time there was one teacher. Okay,
Hmm.
and he told me, yeah, he visited to, I think, Delhi. He visited to Delhi,
Hmm.
and he went to doing job for call center.
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
and that time, yeah, that time he told me that I was getting job, and the monthly was that 15,000 per month. Okay, in call
Okay.
center.
In Delhi. In Delhi, right?
Yeah, yeah, in Delhi, yes.
Okay.
But but he was telling that I did not do that work because that is so like tension and headache work. Because I have to I have to
Yeah.
handle many calls from
Yes.
customer.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
and
there
it's
are
so like
yeah, all kind of people.
like
So
also educated, uneducated. You have to explain them.
yes. Yeah. You have to handle all kind of people. You need that
So it's
skill to do that job.
yeah. So that's why he told that I came back from Delhi, and I thought no, again I will teach in Bihar, but I will not go for that work.
Okay.
Once time, once time, I was also thinking that I should also go for this job, like for call center. Okay,
I think every person
and
thinks that once in a life. Yeah.
yes, and
There was a
yeah, and
time
that
I
teacher.
also thought, oh, sorry for interrupting actually.
Oh no, no, no problem, no problem.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Okay, doing job in a call center.
Yeah. So that time, did you went?
No,
Did you go there?
no. I
Oh,
did
wow.
not get the chance to go there and do job, but I thought just okay, I can
Just
do this
you are
job.
thinking.
Yes. I was
Yeah.
thinking.
Okay, so according to your thinking, like how is this job? You can expect something.
It is good. I think if you want to improve your skill, communication skill, then this job is for you. I think that because
Yes.
you need to talk any kind of people, and you will get to know how to handle peoples and how to explain them things, and you will also increase your patience level.
Yeah, patience level.
Yes.
just, just we have to
Yeah.
keep
Yeah.
much patience.
Yeah, we need to have more patience, and we need to calm ourselves while doing this job.
Yeah.
That's are the important things we need to keep in our mind while doing this job.
Yeah. Yeah, but I think it has also rules like if you are talking with call center person, okay, like your
Mm,
customer,
mm,
and if anyone is like abusing, like
mm,
he's not using like good words, he's
mm,
abusing. So that
mm.
time like he will be
Yeah,
like arrested. He will be arrested.
yeah. There are rules for. Uh, there are such rules.
Yes, like whenever we call for customer, like we want to know something, so that
Mm.
time in the starting time we listen. This call will be recorded, and
Yes.
if you do any like wrong words or abusing,
Yeah.
then
Mm.
the
Right. Right. Right.
I have heard many times.
Yes. They give that
Yeah,
disclaimer.
and whenever I talk with like customer, okay,
Mm.
for
Mm.
asking about like my sim problem, like recharge anything, like validity
Mm.
anything. So
Mm.
that time I talk them politely. I don't like speak rudely. Okay.
Actually, we should talk politely to the every person, irrespective of
Yes,
who that person is.
and if you talk politely, then he will talk to you more. He will explain to you more.
Yes,
Yeah,
it
because
is
he will
the
also think. Yes,
yeah. It is like what we give, and that's what we get.
yes, yeah. Yes, exactly. You are right. Yeah, because he will think that this guy is also talking politely and he
Mm.
wants to know something. So I should solve his problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Even you are taking more and more time, it doesn't matter. He can give you more
Yes.
and more time. But
Yeah.
if you have patience and if you
Mm.
are speaking politely, then he will talk with you more and more.
True.
Yeah.
So, any bad experience you had with customer care people?
No, any bad experience. I have never like faced any bad experience with customer. I always talk with them politely, so they always
Mm.
respect me.
Okay, but have you ever noticed that they always put you on wait,
They
like
always.
it put you on wait, right? Waiting list.
Yeah, waiting list. Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Sometimes the time span was so long, so sometimes it get irritating then.
Irritating. Yeah, we are thinking
Yeah,
that when
and
our call is
while
connect.
while we are waiting, they also play some kind of music or there any advertisement that annoys me literally. Yeah,
Yeah.
like
I
waiting is
also.
okay, but why we should forcefully listen to that?
Yeah, that is like so different
Yes,
tune.
yeah.
Yeah, but I
What
think
else?
like they use that if customer will call, then he will listen.
Okay.
Yeah. Like according to your opinion, like if you want to become like English English call center person, so yeah, which type of quality he should have?
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
I'm saying that like if you want to become like English call center person, okay, like
Okay.
you want to talk only in English, okay. So which
Mm-hmm.
type of quality you should have for becoming English call center person?
Actually, same rule is applied because language is language, no matter which language it is. You need to
Yeah.
have same skill sets, and you need to handle people in same manner. I don't think there
And
is
how is
any difference in talking in Hindi language or talking in English language. We need same kind of skill to handle people. At the end, they are also humans.
yes, yeah, we understand, yeah. But I think
Yeah.
like their training is different. Like they will take your interview if you are speaking frankly and you are using like correct sentence or correct words, and if
Mm.
your pronunciation is better, frankly, then he will select you. I think like this.
To getting that job, you are talking
Yeah.
about for
Yes, for
getting that.
getting job.
Then
Yes,
you need good command on English, command of
yeah, good
English.
comment. Yes, yeah. I was talking about this.
Yeah, you need then good command of English. First, you should talk proper English. Then you need proper
Yes.
fluency. Yeah, because if you have to handle international clients, then you should need to communicate. You should need to communicate with them. For
Yes.
that, yeah, that people needs to understand your language, and you need to understand that people's language. So you need to have a good command of English. It is the basic need, I think.
Yes, yeah. Then that time we will have chance to become like
Hmm.
that.
Yeah.
Sometimes I have also thought.
Okay, you want to become a sorry,
No,
you.
I don't want to become, but I am thinking that if I will not get my job, okay, in future,
Okay. Yeah,
so I
that
should,
is the
yeah,
option.
yeah, that is the option.
Okay.
I will go for that.
Okay.
Yeah,
Mhm.
yeah,
Have you
but
had?
nowadays, like,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Say, what are you saying?
yeah, I'm saying that nowadays, like, there are many people and they have also good command on English, so they are
Hmm.
also waiting for that.
Okay, you can try on our national language like Hindi or what is the language of Bihar? Native
Yeah,
language of
language.
Bihar?
You don't know what is the native language of Bihar?
No, I don't. I think Bihari, right?
Oh, Bihari, like Bihar, like those
Yeah.
people who live in Bihari.
Okay,
No,
okay.
those people who live in Bihar.
I
Yeah,
don't
those
know
people
then
who live in
language.
Bihar, yeah, are called Bihari. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah, the native language of Bihar is Bhojpuri.
Oh, Bhojpuri, right. I heard
Do
about
you
this
know?
language, but I don't know it is the native language of Bihar.
Oh, Have you heard Bhojpuri song?
I think I heard one or two, but I don't exactly remember.
uh, okay.
Yeah,
Do you
there
know
are
like
songs.
yes?
Okay, okay.
Okay. Do you
What
know
you are
like
asking?
I'm saying that do you know those actors like who are working in Bhojpuri industry?
I think Vishal Singh is from Bihar, right?
Vishal Singh.
Vishal. Uh,
Oh, what is he?
he, I think he's actor and he worked in one serial. I think.
Oh, Vishal
But
Singh. No, no, I think I want to tell you. Sushant Singh Rajput. Do you know Sushant Singh Rajput?
yes, I know.
Yeah, he was from Bihar.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Wow. I
Yeah,
did.
you can also
I
search.
think I heard about it, but I didn't remember.
Yeah, you are not sure. Okay, but
Mm-mm.
Sushant Singh. Yeah, Sushant
I
Singh
know.
Rajput is from. Yeah, he was
I,
from Bihar. But
mm,
now this is so sad news. Now he's not no more. Okay, so like
mm,
we are regretting.
mm,
Yeah, so like he was. Yeah, he was like one actor in Bollywood industry from Bihar.
mm.
Yeah,
There are actors from Bihar,
yeah,
and there are
yes,
singers also. Do
yeah,
you?
many singers.
Yeah, many singers and rappers are also from Bihar.
Yeah, yes,
Yeah, so many talent in Bihar, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah.
So I think have you visited Mumbai?
No, I don't
Oh
usually
my God.
travel. I didn't get any
I think,
opportunity to travel, but I like traveling.
uh, so are you near to Mumbai?
No, Mumbai is far away from Solapur. I live in Solapur.
How many kilometers far from?
More than 300, I think.
Oh, more than 300 kilometers.
Yeah, 3 to 400 kilometers, I can say. You can Google
Oh,
it.
okay, okay. Google Baba will tell.
Yeah.
If you don't know anything, just go on Google and search.
Google it. Yeah. I think
But
we are
sometimes,
so, yeah.
yeah, but sometimes we do not get accurate answer. Okay,
Yeah.
right answer.
We should not 100% dependent on Google.
Otherwise, sometimes we will be also wrong. We will be also
Yeah.
false.
It's like it will keep what can I say? It will keep I'm not getting the word. Let it be.
Let it be, no problem.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay. So,
So,
like, I want to ask you one question. This is my last question. Okay.
okay. Yes.
Okay. So, like, yeah. The question is that, okay, are you living for eating or do you live for, no, 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 like,
Okay,
I need
okay.
to,
Yeah, recall it.
okay. Yeah. Yeah. My question is that, do you
Hmm.
live for
Hmm.
eating or do you eat for living?
No, I think I live for eating.
Eating. Why?
Yeah. Because I love food. I like exploring new restaurant and like exploring new food. So I like eating food.
So would you like to tell me something like your
What?
favorite food? Yeah, your favorite food.
I think everyone knows that. People are getting annoyed by saying this. It's okay. I can say this. It's on your channel. So my favorite food is burger. McDonald's burger.
Oh, burger.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your favorite then?
Yeah, my favorite food is that I do not like too much like out food. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah, just like I like to eat like chicken and sweet. I like more and more sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you
Okay.
like sweet?
Not really. I'm not a sweet person. I don't like sweet that much, but yeah, I eat sweet.
Yeah, yeah. Like many girls, they don't like to eat sweet.
Might be.
Yeah, yeah, I have got like this type of many comments from many girls. Like they don't like eat sweet. They like tasty, yeah,
Yeah, more.
spicy.
I think spicy food. Yeah, they like more spicy food.
Yes,
It's fine. Everybody have their own choices.
yes, yes. According to their choice, they eat.
Mm, right.
Yes.
What else?
So do you want to ask any question?
Yeah, you have to ask. Sorry, answer same question. Are you
Oh,
living? Yeah. What was the question? I also forgot about it.
oh, do you live for eating or do you eat for living?
Yeah, you need to answer that.
Yeah, so this is why like same answer like you. Okay, I also
Okay.
live for eating.
Mm.
Because I like many types of tasty food, and so
Mm.
that's why like we always try to take some different types of food, and
Mm.
whenever we are taking sweet like sweet or tasty food, so that
Mm.
time like we enjoy with our food,
Mm. Right.
and we think that yeah we will eat more and more many types of different types of food, we will change and we will enjoy, we will do party with our friends like this.
Mm. Right.
Yeah. And yeah, and in the world there are many types of food. Okay.
There are so many types of food. Yeah, we can't even imagine.
Imagine, yeah. So we
I
enjoy.
think food is the best part of our life.
Yeah, really, yeah. Without food, like our health will be not good.
Health, yeah.
Health, and not only health, we will be not alive without food.
Okay. Should we stop here or you want to ask anything?
No, I think we should stop because this is a long conversation. people
Okay.
will people will also feel boring.
Okay, fine then. It was nice talking to you. Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
it much. Yeah, it is really nice talking with you. I'm so happy.
Okay. Bye then. Good night.
Okay, bye. Good night.